In the shadow of the Santa Monica airport sits the studio of artist Louise Ann Marler. Originally from St. Louis, Missouri, she has been residing and making art in Los Angeles for half her life. Her latest project captures the classical beauty of a forgotten machine, the typewriter. The passion for typewriters runs in her blood. Her father and grandfather were businessmen who sold and repaired these intricate and beautiful machines. The title of her collection, Typewriters, a derivative of type of writers, also alludes to how these machines reflected the writing styles of its operator, both good and bad. In September 2012, Louise held the first ever Type-In at Beyond Baroque Literary Arts Center in Venice, California. The unique event attracted visitors of all types and ages, and invited guests not just to admire, but to actually type on these intricate machines. There was poetry and gifts, as well as a screening of a movie about typewriters by filmmaker Christopher Lockett. Perhaps the most exciting attraction? The chance to enjoy various typewriters, whose owners were as famous as they were diverse.
Ernest Hemingway used that typewriter in his home in Cuba, Ray Bradbury's typewriter. He did a lot of his typing at UCLA in the basement. And that was John Lennon's typewriter that I bought from his aunt Mimi. Tech Kaczynski of the crimes of the Unabomber crimes. And if you look on the evidence tags, are still there from the FBI. So it's not like, you buy a magazine and there's 500 of them, like a rare coin, and there's even 7 of them. There's only one.
In addition to her art, Louise does high-quality t-shirt printing, custom gallery-wrapped canvases, and offset lithography. For more information about Louise Ann Marler and her work, please check out her website at typewritersaresexy.com. She can also be found on Facebook by searching L.A. Marler.